In today's competitive manufacturing landscape, outdated systems are holding businesses back. Legacy systems are expensive, inflexible, and limit real-time visibility into your operations. This can lead to costly downtime, missed opportunities, and ultimately lost profits. But what if there is another way? Hi, my name is Oscar Garcia. I am the founder and also proud to introduce FLUXEPS. FLUXEPS is a modern web-based manufacturing system designed specifically for customers like you. If you're struggling with outdated systems that hinder your ability to optimize production, FLUXEPS can help. FLUXEPS empowers you to gain real-time data visibility for your equipment, allowing you to make informed decisions that can significantly improve your operations. Imagine a system that simplifies equipment management. With FLUXEPS, you can easily monitor your equipment, health, and performance, all in one central location. Our real-time data acquisition and visualization tools provide you with a clear understanding of your production manufacturing processes. Identify bottlenecks, track production efficiency, and make data-driven decisions to optimize operations. FLUXEPS takes it a step further. We leverage the power of AI to unlock even greater possibilities. FLUXEPS utilizes AI to analyze equipment data and predict potential issues before they occur. This allows you to perform proactive maintenance, preventing costly downtime and maximizing production efficiency. In addition, Fluxy, our AI bot, can help describe the conditions of your control charts or statistical analysis visualizations, helping improve the quality of your processes. FluxX provides the following key features: bay equipment and process configuration management, real-time data acquisition and visualizations, production monitoring and reporting, predictive maintenance powered by machine learning, improved decision making through actionable insights, real-time data streaming and analytics for seamless Industry 4.0 integration. If you want to learn more about FlexEps, please visit our website at fluxeps.com for more information and early access. Thank you for listening to us, and together let's revolutionize manufacturing with FlexEps. Thanks again.